Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Monish. I'm currently pursuing the education in SVC, the third year, fifth sem, and today I'm going to explain the topic artificial intelligence. What is AI? Means what is artificial intelligence? It is instead of an art. Yeah, AI is a rapidly advancing field that explores the development of computer system capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence such as learning, problem solving, decision making, and even a creative expressions. As the technology continues to evolve, AI systems are becoming increasing sophisticated, capable of tackling complex problems across a wide range of industries, from healthcare and finance to transportation and entertainment. This introduction will delve into the fundamental concepts of AI and examine the current state of art, highlighting the remarkable progress made in this transformative field means word maybe. Intelligent agents and environment. What is agent? What is environment? Agent means the context of AI. An agent is an entity that perceives its environment through sensors and acts upon the environment through actuators with the goal of achieving specific objectives. Agents can range from simple reflex based systems to more advanced goal oriented agents that employ complex reasoning reason- uh, reasoning and decision making capabilities. What is environment? It is the world in which the agent operates. It can be physical, such as the real world surroundings, or it can be virtual or simulated environment, such as a computer program or game. The nature of the environment, whether it is accessible, deterministic, statistic, or dynamic, partially or fully observable, and the degree of uncertainty its parents all play a crucial role in the design and behavior of intrudes. Okay, and the next is concepts of rationality. What is rational agents and bounded rationality and utility theory? First, the rational agents. It is an agent that acts in a way that maximizes its chance of achieving its goal, giving its current knowledge and the available information about the environment. Rationality, it is the fundamental concepts of AI. It guides the development of agent that can be optimal decision and taken appropriate action. The bounded rationality. In reality, the agents often face the constraints such as limited information, computational resource, or time, which can prevent them from making perfectly rational decision. Bounded rationality acknowledges these limitations and focus on the developing agents that can make satisfactory decision within the constraints they face. What is utility theory? It provides the framework for the qualifying the desirabilities or value of different outcomes, allowing the agents to make decisions that maximize their expected utility. This concept is widely used in the AI to develop the agents that can weigh the cost and benefits of their actions and manageable rational choices. Now there is the nature of environment. In the nature of environment, accelerability versus inaccelerability, deterministic versus stochastic, and the statistic versus dynamic, and the discrete versus continuous. What is accessible versus inaccessible? In accessible environment, is one of in one which the agent can obtain complete information about the current state, while in inaccessible the environment is in which the agent has incomplete or uncertain information about the environment. In the deterministic environment in which the agent's action will lead to some outcome, in stochastic which agents may unpredictable outcomes. In static environment is one which the environment does not change over time, while a dynamic environment is one which the environment is constantly changing independent of the agent's actions. In discrete is one which the agent actions and the environment states can be represented by finite or continuable set of values, while in continuous environment the agent actions and the environment is can represented by continuous range of values. Here the structure of agents: Prescrip- pre- prescription, decision making, and action. Prescription: the agent's sensors allow its prescriptive the current state of the environment, including the relevant information and data that can be used to make decisions. Decision making: the agent's decision making module processes the information gathered from the sensors and determines the most appropriate actions to take based on its goal and the current state of environment. Action: the agent's actuators allow its to take the actions that affect the environment, such as moving, manipulating objects, or communicating with other agents or entities. The types of environment. Here, the three types: physical, virtual, and mixed. In the physical are the real world and tangible space in which agents operate, such as factories, homes, or outdoor land spaces. These environments are subjected to the laws of physics and can be observed and interacted with directly by the agent. In virtual or simulated or digital space. Virtual means the digital space, right? And such as computer programs, video games, or online platforms, these environments are not bounded by the physical constraints of the real world, can be designed of offer unique challenges and opportunities for AI agents. And a mixed environment, it's combination of both physical and virtual spaces, creating a both hybrid environment that leverage the strength of each. These environments may involve the augmented reality, where digital information is overlaid on the physical world, or maybe integrated physical and virtual environment more complex ways. And the next is simple reflex agent: prescription, decision making, and action. Look here the prescription means the simple reflex agents rely on their sensors to perceive the current state of environment and make the decision on based on the information. Decision making means these agents use the simple condition action rule, where perform a specific action in response to particular environment state without any internal model or long-term planning. And here the action means simple reflex agents may take immediate actions based on the prescriptions of the agents, considering the long-term sequence or the overall goals are trying to be the make. And the next is model-based reflex. Yeah, here prescription, intermode, decision making, and action. Here also, yeah, we'll add the one more step is internal mode model. Here prescription. Model-based reflex agents use their sensors to perceive the current state of the environment, just like the simple reflex agents internal model. And these agents maintain an internal model of the environment, which allows them to reason about the current state and predict the consequences of their actions. Decision making. By combining the prescription and of the environment and their internal model, the model-based reflex agents can be make over informed and strategic decision rather than relying solely on condition action rules. Action. The agent use their actuators to take the action that are tailored to the goals and the current state of the environment based on the internal model of decision making process. And the next is global based agents. Here also there are four steps: prescription, internal model, planning, and action is the four steps. The here global based agents use their sensors to provide the current state of the environment just like the previous agents types. Okay, and the next is model. The agents maintain their internal model of the environment similarly to the model based reflex agents, but they have also have the clear goal or objective that are trying to achieve. Okay, here they have a clear goal. And the planning. The goal-based agent use their internal model and reasoning capabilities to plan a sequence of action that will help them achieve their desired goal considering the potential sequence of their choice. In action, the final agent sequence the plan the action using the actuators and reaching their goal and the most efficient way and the effective way of the producers. The next last is utility based agents, prescription and the internal model and action. In the prescription, utility based agents use their sensors to perceive the current state of the environment just like previous agents types. Okay, and in the model these agents maintains the internal model of the environment similar to the goal based agents, but they also have the no notion of utility or value associated with different environmental states and outcomes. Okay, in decision making, utility based agents use decision making process that aims to maximize their expected utility considering the potential outcomes and their associated values or desirabilities. And finally, the agents select their execute the action that is separated to the result in the highest utility based on their internal model and decision making process. Thank you.